Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change video and camera setting in a Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting and I'm going to change the setting, the video and camera setting during this meeting. If we want to go to the video setting, we can go to the video menu here and then you can click on this little icon. I don't know what it is called, but just click on this icon and then you're going to go to the video setting. Alright, and then you'll be able to choose the camera here. I have two types of camera, which are my original camera and then OBS virtual camera, and I'm just going to choose my original camera. And here we can customize the ratio, whether you want to apply original ratio or not, and then HD and mirror my video. Okay, I'm just going to select mirror my video. Okay, and then you can activate all these features if you want. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then you can choose maximum participants display per screen in gallery view. I'm just going to choose 49 participants, and then you're going to go to the advanced to set the video rendering method, rendering post processing, capturing method. It's up to you. And then if you want to change the background of your video, you can go to the background and effect. Okay, here you can apply virtual backgrounds from Zoom, or you can upload your own. You just need to click on this plus icon to add image or video to be your background in Zoom. You will be able to apply studio effect as well. Okay, and I'm going to close it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change video and camera setting in Zoom. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.